Welcome back to Tech Gear Guide. This is the day 1 of our AI and ML tutorial series. In this video, we will break down the 3 main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, along with the real-world applications. If you want to build ML models, understanding these types is the first step. So let's get started. If someone asks you that what is machine learning, then simply put, machine learning is a subset of AI where computers learn from data to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Now let's dive into its 3 types. Basically, we are having 3 types of machine learning. First is supervised learning, second is unsupervised learning, and third is reinforcement learning. So today we will talk about supervised learning. This is the most common and industry relevant type of machine learning. So supervised learning is the most widely used ML approach. Fine. Here we train models using labeled data, meaning we already know the correct answers. The model learns from the past data and applies that knowledge to the new inputs. So the common algorithm used here are linear regression. These are used for the price prediction, example real estate and stock prices. Then we have decision trees. These are used in medical diagnosis basically. So then we have neural networks. They are powering deep learning and the AI models. So these are some of the algorithms which we will implement in the upcoming series. So when we talk about the supervised learning, we know that it has 2 main types. First is regression and the second is classification. So let's break them into a simple and effective way. So regression is nothing but predicting the continuous values. Regression is used when the output, which is dependent variable, is a continuous numerical value. Why we are saying output as a dependent variable? Because it is dependent on the independent variables or the values, which is the input. So some of key characteristics are: output can take infinite possible values within a range. These are used for trend prediction, weather forecasting, and the estimating values. Then we have some example algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, random forest regression. So some real life examples of regression are predicting house prices based on size, location, and the amenities. Then we have forecasting sales revenue for a business next quarter, estimating the temperature based on the past weather data. So these are some of the examples. Then we have classification. Classification is the predicting of categorical labels. Right. Classification is used when the output, that is dependent variable, is categorical, that is belongs to a fixed number of classes or the categories. So the key characteristics are: output is a discrete label, which means whether it is yes or no, male or female, whether it is cat or a dog, etc. Then it is used for spam detection, medical diagnosis, and sentiment analysis, which is very important. Then we have example algorithms of classification, which is logistic regression. We will do it in detail in the next coming series. Then we have decision trees, random forest for classification, SVM, KNN, and naive Bayes. Then we are having some real life examples of classification too, which is spam detection, whether the email is spam or not spam. Then we have disease prediction, patient has diabetes or no. Then we have face recognition, classify images into unknown persons. So in the upcoming series, we will do the practical classes of logistic regression for spam detection, and we will do simple Python example of linear regression for house price prediction. So please stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.